Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an interesting video for you. We just fitted the Maxton Design kit on our car, and to complete the design we will also put a rear spoiler on the car that is in the same color, meaning glossy black. Alright, so the spoiler is unpacked. I wanted to show you what's in the box. So first of all, the spoiler, this one is in glossy black, really cool. And we have this nice adhesive promoter. So this is basically to clean up the surface before applying the spoiler on the car. And this one is the 3M tape. This tape will be sticked on this part. So basically the part that stays in contact with the trunk, and we will be sticking that to this one, and then we can stick the whole spoiler to our car. Alright, so I wanted to show you the Maxton Design body kit. So we have the front lip, the side skirts, and of course the back spoiler. I think they look super good, and it gives a more aggressive look to the car. And what we will be doing today, we have this back spoiler here, which is in matte black, and here we have the glossy part. So what we'll do, we will switch this one. We'll also add a glossy black spoiler in the back of the car, which will complete the look for the exterior in all glossy black. Without further ado, let's go to the detailing shop, because as I said, I want to mount this professionally. I could do it at home, but I don't want this spoiler to fly on the highway. This one was also mounted at a professional detailing shop, so I really want it to stick good on the car. Alright, so we are at the detailing center. So this is the old spoiler, and this is gonna be removed, and we will be coming with this one. This one is the glossy black version, and of course it will fit very well the body kit as well, which is glossy black. It's a bit large, but I think it's only because of the current spoiler, so it will be more towards the inside of the car, but I think it will look great. We also have the glossy black fonts here, so everything is glossy black in the back. So I really can't wait for the results to come out. So as you can see, this spoiler, it's a bit longer than the normal one. So the normal one comes all the way till here, but this one goes all the way till here, just to make sure that they are symmetrical. Yep, also here. So I think it will really fit great the car, and yeah, I can't wait to mount it up. The first step is of course to remove the old one, which is the matte black version. This one was also put in a detailing center. It stays really good on the car. I was running with the car for 2 years already, and there are no problems at all. I hope the new one will be as good as the old one. The next step in the process is to, of course, remove the existing spoiler, and for this you can either use dental floss, or of course any other thin cable which is strong enough to remove the tape. Keep in mind that this was mounted in a professional shop, so it was quite a bit of a hassle to remove it, but nothing that the guys couldn't handle. As you can see, it looks really dirty because of the tape that was applied. The previous spoiler stayed here for 2.5 years, so I can say that it stayed quite strong. Next, we cleaned the surface really well and prepared the new spoiler for mounting. As you can see, we just put the new tape on, and then we aligned the new spoiler on the back of the trunk, and after that we fixed it into place because it had already the 3M tape applied. After the fitment was correct and the spoiler was properly lined, the next step is of course to fix it into place, and for this the area was heated with a blow dryer to warm up the glue on the inside, and of course make it stick to the surface. After a couple of minutes, we made sure that the spoiler is strong enough and it adhered to the surface, and hopefully it will never come back loose again. And with this, the look is now completed for the back part of our Alright, so we just finished mounting this nice addition. It looks really good. I like it a lot, and hopefully it will stay here for a long period of time. Super excited about the mount, and see you soon. I'm gonna wait for 2-3 days, see if this one still fits the car and still stays in place. Otherwise I will come back to these guys so I can put it back. Hopefully that will not be the case, and see you soon. Right, I hope you liked my video. I really like the way this back spoiler looks like, and I think it completes the whole look of the Tesla on the exterior part. Some changes are also in plan for the back of the car, and this will be the final changes that I will be doing for the back of my car. It's related to the taillights, so I am already waiting for some new taillights that I think they will look amazing. As for the glossy look, I think the spoiler completes the whole glossy look for the car. Let me know in the comments if you think that the wheels should also be glossy black. I think it's too much though, and I think the matte black wheels that I have now look really good with the car. But again, I'm really open to comments, and I'm open to any suggestions that you might have. So if you have some ideas, put them down in the video down below, and I might be considering them for the future. If you plan to buy a Tesla, don't forget to use my referral code down below. This will bring you up to 1,000 USD or 500 euros discount when ordering a new one at the time of creating this video. And if you want to buy this accessory, don't forget to use the Life with Back code when you are entering the website. So on the Yeslak website, you will be able to introduce this code as checkout. And this code is valid not only for the spoiler, of course, but for all the other accessories on their website. I've negotiated a special discount for you guys, so have a look at that as well. And click like on the video. Also hit subscribe if you aren't a subscriber already, because new content is coming soon. And see you in my next video for a new exciting content with my Tesla.